Today we learn something super fun. Fruits, toys, farm animals, and pizza charts. We will count with pictures. Ready? Let's go! Hello everyone, welcome back to math class. Today we learn pictogram. Pictogram. A pictogram uses pictures to show numbers. Great job!
Count and write.
Count and write. Look at the fruits. What fruits can you see? Apples, oranges, bananas. Let's count together. First, apples. Point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 apples. Now, oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 oranges. Now, bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bananas. Now, let's find the total. 7 apples, 5 oranges, 4 bananas. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. There are 16 fruits in total. Wonderful!
Listen and repeat.
This is a pictogram.
There are 4 bananas.
Look at the board. This is a pictogram. Repeat after me. Pictogram. Good job. Look at the apples. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 apples. Look at the oranges. There are 5 oranges. Look at the bananas. There are 4 bananas. Pictures help us count quickly. That is the pictogram.
1. Write and say.
Write and say. Look at the toys. We have cars, dolls, and teddy bears. Let's count. First, cars. There are 7 cars. Now, dolls. There are 6 dolls. Now, teddy bears. There are 5 teddy bears. Wonderful! Now let's find the total. 7 cars, 6 dolls, 5 teddy bears. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 13 plus 5 equals 18. There are 18 toys in total. There are 18 toys in total.
2. Look and write.
Look and write. Animals on the farm. Let's count together. There are 6 ducks. There are 3 horses. There are 7 chickens. Now let's find the total number of animals. 6 ducks, 7 chickens, 3 horses. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 plus 3 equals 16. There are 16 animals in total. There are 16 animals in total.
Look and answer.
Pizza shop game. Are you ready? Today we use a pictogram. Look carefully. One pizza picture means 5 pizzas. One picture equals 5 pizzas. How many pizza pictures on Tuesday? Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pictures. Each picture means 5 pizzas, so 5 times 5 equals 25. They make 25 pizzas on Tuesday. They make 25 pizzas on Tuesday. Monday and Wednesday. Look at Monday. Count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 equals 25 pizzas. Now Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5 equals 20 pizzas. 25 plus 20 equals 45. They make 45 pizzas on Monday and Wednesday in total. They make 45 pizzas on Monday and Wednesday in total. Thursday and Friday. Thursday has 8 pictures. 8 times 5 equals 40 pizzas. Friday has 6 pictures. 6 times 5 equals 30 pizzas. 40 plus 30 equals 70. They make 70 pizzas on Thursday and Friday in total. Which day has the most pizzas? It's Tuesday. Excellent job. Today we learned pictogram, count with pictures, add totals. You were amazing today. See you next lesson. Goodbye.